The easiest way how to get 1000 subscribers in 1 week is just right here, because I will gonna show you the easiest way how to make money online 2022 if you have no subscribers at all. And here we go.
So this is how it works. I posted some short videos right now. This is still processing, you see, and I posted one 5 minutes video. The rest are the short videos. Nothing is, not even the single view. You don't go to click on your own views, and you don't go to click on a like. So we don't do this. It's not good for the YouTube's algorithm if you do that. It's allowed, technically you can do this, but if you want to have the best results, you just avoid to clicking at the first on your own videos. Let the YouTube decide. There are certain ways how I do description and certain ways how I do titles and keywords here. This will be explained in my future videos step by step. But this is the first step. Everything is zero as you are starting to grow your YouTube channel.
So now, what now? I know you have been like doing your best, trying your hard work, and you don't know what's happening because nothing really works for you. Should you work more? No, guys, just please watch my videos, because you are gonna see the live recordings from my channel. Actually, you can go to check out my channel yourself, and by clicking the mouse in a right way, you will not gonna be worrying about how to grow your subscribers in 1 week, 1000 subscribers. Watch the video right here and you will be amazed how easy it is to make money online in 2022.